In this video, we're going to discuss the free CSET practice tests available on the Teacher's Test Prep website and how to make use of this resource. First of all, how to get started. A list of all our available CSET practice tests can be found at teacherstestprep.com/CSET practice tests. This link and all the other links that appear in this video are listed for you directly beneath the video, so you don't need to worry about writing this down. To get started, simply create a free account on the Teacher's Test Prep website and then select the test that you want to take. You can save your progress at any time and resume your practice tests later, but when possible, we recommend trying to take the exam under the same timed conditions as the real test. So on the Pearson website, the company that administers the CSET, they list the specific times that will be allotted to you for the particular CSET test that you're taking. We recommend looking up that time and setting that as a timer on your cell phone or watch so that you can take the practice test, which is a full-length practice test, in the same time frame that you're going to take the real test, so you can really get a sense of how it's going to be taking the test under the time conditions of the real test day. After submitting your completed test, the multiple choice sections will be instantly auto-graded. And you'll be able to look at the test, which will have arrows next to the correct answer, and it'll also show the answer choices you selected. You can go through the problems you got right and wrong, and that's something you can do immediately as soon as you submit your test. If your test includes constructed responses, which many CSET exams do, you also have the option to purchase written response grading and feedback. The multiple choice section is instantly scored for you free of charge. But the written response section, there is a fee because it's graded by a live professional grader. A person will actually read all your constructed responses, score them using the exact same rubric that's used on the actual CSET, and they'll write you detailed notes, feedback about what you did well, and where you can improve to ensure success on the real exam. So this can be a very valuable feature if you choose to purchase it. Next, you can view your free diagnostic breakdown. So a free basic diagnostic report is also included as soon as you submit that test. And it provides an estimate of your overall likelihood of passing the exam, as well as a breakdown of your strengths and weaknesses within each domain of your specific CSET test. And it looks basically like the screenshot you see here. You'll notice that next to each domain is underlined, and you can click those links to go to the corresponding section of our free study guide. So the free online study guide looks like this. It's a concise bullet-pointed listing of all the key topics that appear in each section of your exam. So if you see that there's a specific area on the diagnostics that you didn't do so well in, you could click on that, and then you can look in the study guide and see exactly what topics can appear on the real test within that area. So you can see which things you're doing well in, or feel comfortable with, and which areas within that domain you didn't feel so comfortable with, and you can really study those specific topics so that you really get to focus your study efforts on the specific topics that will benefit you most and make the most of your study time. So this is a really valuable feature as you begin to study for the CSET exam.